Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Ubiquiti app not working. If the Ubiquiti app is not opening, keep crashing, won't connect to your devices, or get stuck on the loading screen, the issue is usually caused by an outdated app, network problem, or a temporary software glitch. Firstly, you need to check your internet connection. Go to your top right corner of your notification and slide down and simply switch between your Wi-Fi or your mobile data as well. And you can also toggle off and toggle on to your airplane mode. And if the connection is unstable, you can restart your router and try again. Or you can also restart the app. Once you open your app, you need to simply remove it from your recent app, reopen the app and check if the issue is resolved. And you should also restart your device. A simple restart can fix temporary software glitches, turn off your phone or tablet, and simply press to your volume and your power button and wait about 30 seconds and turn it back on. Launch the Ubiquiti app. And you should also update your Ubiquiti app. You need to go to your app store and find any available updates. And if there's an update available, you need to select update if a newer version is available. And that is it. By following this step, you can resolve most issues, including crashes, connection, and failures. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.